Hey, Brew and Feed here. Hey, I'm doing a little backyard farming. Backyard farming is one of the tenets of Brew and Feed. But I'm gonna work up a thirst putting in these plants and getting ready for spring. And then I'm gonna go over to Lost World's Brewing Company in Cornelius, North Carolina for their 4-year anniversary weekend and hang out after I work up a thirst. So that's what I'm doing today. Come and check them out and see if they know how to brew strong and feed well. All right, we are here at Lost World's Brewing Company. It's their 4-year anniversary. Got 10 food truck over there. Yolanda's hiding from me. Why are you hiding? Because you didn't do your hair? All right, let's go check them out and see if they still know how to brew strong and feed well.
From grain to mash, the alchemy begins. A dance of fire, of bubbling sins. The aroma rises, a fragrant tale of transformation, of dreams set sail. Yeast whispers secrets in the dark. Fermentation, a magical spark. Sugar turns to alcohol's embrace. The liquid swirls, a living grace. From grain to glass, a story told of passion, craft, and dreams of old. Raise a toast to the hands that pass, for they bring us beer from grain to glass.
All right, we're here at Lost World's Brewing Company. Great patio, great ambiance on the inside. The whole concept of the brewery is amazing. I feel like I'm on an adventure every time I come here, like I'm not gonna make my way out. But they had a dog adoption event going on this week. They had a dog adoption going on today. A bunch of puppies, a couple of older dogs. When I say older, one was 1 year old, and there was a German Shepherd, a little older than that. Cool place. Just came to support them on their 4-year anniversary weekend. Check out a couple puppies because we are in the market for another doggy. And Yolanda's over here on her phone, sipping on her, what is that, a cider?
It's a sour.
Sherbet flavored sour. Is it good?
Yeah, it's very good.
It's good. I had the Anatoly Rye IPA, which is amazing. I love rye IPAs. They did a good job, and now I'm having their West Coast IPA, which also is very delicious. But that's it. So just come to check them out. Support my local craft brewery, which I recommend you do too, because local ownership matters. Support your tax base and support local entrepreneurs. It matters. Peace out. Oh, my hands are dry. Shouldn't have